is not that I am attending a function like this for the first time. I have been part of many, many functions like this in the last 27, 28 years of my public life, all across the country also, and even internationally also. But there are many functions where you get the type of pleasure which you can call as a sort of an eternal pleasure, pleasure which you enjoy at the level of your heart and also at the level of your soul. So this is also one such function, and this is because of the fact that this particular foundation stone is being laid at a place which is, as was described very well by one of the speakers, the northeastern part of the northeastern India. And I tell you that I was born in Delhi. I have been born in India like all of you, but it took me personally almost 6 decades of my life to first time visit any northeastern state when I became a minister in Narendra Modi ji's cabinet. Before that, it is not that I never wished that, but it never happened. And I remember that as a part of Narendra Modi ji's cabinet, we have seen how his heart beats for the people of Northeast, how committed he is for the people of Northeast, and from the day one, when he entered Parliament and he said that my government is committed to the poorest of the poor, my government is committed to the laborers, my government is committed to the farmers. There was hardly any cabinet meeting where he would not raise the issue of development for the northeastern states. And first 5 years, we remember that he made it a point. He assigned a senior cabinet minister to oversee how regularly the cabinet ministers are visiting Northeast to plan for various activities for the development of northeastern states. And this is not something which is happening only in the field of health, that the northeastern part of the northeast of India is getting a medical college in a district where in spite of being such a big district, where you have, as was said by the chief minister, you have got the lowest per capita income, but the government of Nagaland, supported and of course blessed by the Prime Minister of India, had the vision to ensure that even a place like this in such extreme corners of the country is not deprived of the various facilities and the various services.